In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text using Canva to create engaging and visually striking animated educational reels for Instagram. This process is straightforward and only requires a basic understanding of Canva, and with these steps, you'll be up and running in no time. First, open up Canva in your preferred browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the left side menu panel and click on the plus Create button. This is your starting point for all new design projects you'll embark on Canva. Next, you'll want to select social media from the array of options that appear. This sets the stage for choosing the type of post you'll be creating. Now, from the available options, select Instagram Story, which is conveniently already sized at 1080 by 1920 pixels, perfect for your reels. With your blank canvas ready, it's time to inject some creativity into it. Hover over to the left side menu and click on Text, an essential tool for any design that requires textual elements. Let's get some text onto the canvas. Click on Add a Heading. This allows you to bring in a bold piece of text to form the foundation of your design. Don't be shy to explore different font combinations to see what aligns best with your style and message. To make your text stand out, hover over the floating toolbar at the top and click on Effects. This feature offers various enhancements like shadows, glows, and more, adding a layer of depth to your text. While you're at it, let's give the background a touch of personality. Switch to the Background tab and choose a color that complements your text and overall theme. Speaking of colors, don't forget to adjust the text colors to ensure they contrast well against the background, making your message clear and readable. Click on the text bar and experiment with the color palette until you find the perfect blend. Once you have your text and background set up, it's time to introduce animation. Head back to the floating toolbar and click on Animate. Here, Canva offers you the freedom to animate either the entire page, only the text, or specific elements within your design. For this tutorial, let's focus on animating the text. Click on Text within the Animate options. You'll be presented with a variety of animations to choose from, ranging from subtle appearances to more dynamic entries. Selecting your desired animation is as simple as clicking on it. And there you have it. You have learned how to animate text using Canva to craft enticing animated educational reels for Instagram. Remember, the key to great design is experimentation and finding what best conveys your message while keeping the viewer's attention. Happy designing, and see you next time.